Ano, dito'y session hall kalpasan nga pinaiyaban ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo digiti kaming iti PNP gapota ipapilit ni Apo Konsehal RJ Parinas nga songbatan na digito'y naibaga ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo kabayatan iti privilege speech na action na Mel ket out of order namin ado nga in-declare ni Apo ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo nga out of order ni Apo Konsehal RJ Parinas nga saanan nga mabalin nga daytoy ket ag privilege speech pay para iti naka songbat dati privilege okay ada bit ni Apo Hepe Labiano nga ice cream ta tapno kano hanga nabara action Mel para kanya tayo para kanya tayo amin ko nana dati ice cream impay distribute nan action Mel yung makita mo action Mel in daulwan ni Apo Hepe Labiano ti nangan ti ice creamen para jarandan kuwen at naidakdakamat pa iti panggap dati ultra dires idi dati naglin na bananda hanga nagpa-interpellate no kamin ag privilege speech action na Mel kalintegan dati may isa nga nag-privilege speech nga saan nga ma-interpellate wen
Stikan niya ang tarong manen madi mabalin
yes Raja Randat dito ila sigurado nga naka-recess kadigito nga gundaway action na Mel ada iti tenga ada ti tugaw ti presiding officer action Mel ni Apo RJ ada iti podium nga nakatakder when hampay nga pimanaw naka-recess lang action Mel when nakatakder latamet action Mel mabalin yes action Mel dito ila amo nga mairo oray da itatay digiti kaming ti PNP nga itatatasimang pet ni Apo Labianon aket nagpa ice cream meten action Mel dakam mo ni Apo Hepe Labiano ti nangiyon na action Mel kadigiti daduma kaming ti konseho ket nagtatalo damot rimbar damot kadigiti nga kanito detail mo action Mel ngam nakatugaw iso natatta iti presiding officer Magnum negative action Mel ate may isa ka dete kanginaan nga ice cream dete Magnum Raja Randat when dati makikita ti Facebook live action Mel yes yes Raja Randat action Mel yes digitay IRR dan sakit ti action Mel dati nakailangan Dapat kita maminsan lang nga gundawayan ni Apo RJ Parinas iti ag privilege speech ngam ti ilaban med ni Apo RJ Parinas ket awan ni amana ditoy ket handa nga maikalintegan ti bagbagay na iso nga ket nga agsong bat. When action Mel. When dati about dati pa nakaipasana iti barang nga hagpapan kadigitoy ket sampay nga nakapagsapatang nga iso ti ibagbaga ni Apo Vice Mayor nga han kanupay nga awampay kano iti na isabit ni Apo Konsal RJ Parinas nga bar admission. Yes, Raja Randat.
Kung maumiskuhan yung baka ito nagsubliak po sa asan nakabrad yun na inaanat.
Yes. Napambat na nga ni Ap. Kasi sa talaga pa nagsasaunan action Mel. Well. Yes. Napamit na nga ni Apo Vice Mayor ti ice cream. At haambay nakatakder iti podium action Mel. When dati yan nagsubli digitoy dadto mga konsehalan action Mel. Narimor da itatay nagrecess insublat damot when adadala digitoy nagbati digitoy dadto magket nagsublida ket mangandamot ti ice cream. Recess ngamin itatay nag-declare ti recess na Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazaro tapno baka napanda nag-CR. Nagpanayon pa ni Apo Hepe Labiano ti ice cream. Kung nagpanayon, kurang dati imo na. Nakalive. When, nagpangatang pay para ka din ito dadong mga staff action Mel. Ni Apo Hepe Labiano la ang ti imay action Mel dito la masigurado na adapay police ijerwar. Mabalin action Mel. Adeta ti padaanan tayo action Mel isa nga naka-standby pa ket ti Facebook live tayon. Medyo nag-relax ti lawlaw aglawlaw apaman nga adeta ice cream ni Apo Hepe Labiano. Di na imbaga ay recess ko na lata itatayan action Mel. When kasi dadya pa nanguray da ken ni Apo Hepe. Negative ay pasungad na DJ ice cream itayan action Mel. Dati na ice cream ko na action Mel. Da ice cream ko na nga kanan tayo pay laeng taag palamiis tayo ket nabara ko na action Mel. Dagiti tattao dito onig ti Sanggunian. Yes. Yes. Yes, naka-standby tayo. When naka-standby tayo Action Bell iti Facebook Live anytime from now ket baka agresyon dan dati session da. Nagtugawen Action Bell nga ada Axel cellphone. Mabalin Action Bell. Dito lang masigurado Action.
Ay, shit. Ito yes. Sa tangan pa ibagi.
Awan, radar and that Action Bell. Radar and that. Isang mabayag pa although ada amin hindi giti kaming iti konseho kadigiti nga kundaway Action Bell. Jollibee. Mekan.
Palami isda pa.
Dapat na Action Nora ne. Action Nora.
Agpalami isda pa ilaeng adangan ning bunong da nga pagpalami is ken ada kay pagpamakanda iso nga pag-urayan ngamin na bar ka pati tansyon iso nga nagpalami isda pa ilaeng pati konsehal ket madapat pangandat ang screen taglan ni konsehal Edison Jowa ni konsehal Justin timong mangan ni konsehal Bakiran ken staff timong mangan iti ice cream naka-shade na ni monitor. Action Bell, naka-shade na ni Konsehal Edison Bunuan. Ket ko na iti kakadwa tinita. Ket talaga very cool ko na dating buwan na. Wow, naka-shade. Black.
Okay mga ka-Action Live tayo dito Sangguniang Panlungsod iti Siyudad Tilawag kalpasan nga medyo nabara iti nagbaitan iti munagundaway da Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo ken ni Apo RJ Fariñas dito ket kalpasan nga niiya sa angkat dati privilege speech babaon ken ni Apo Konsel RJ Fariñas nga nangibinsa-binsaan na digiti napasamak kabayatan iti dati enkwentro da kada Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo iti mismo nga barangay Mangato iti Siyudad Tilawag ket naikambuti kanito ginundawayan ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo iti munagundaway iti ag privilege speech mga ka-aksyon ket ijay nga sinungbatan na nga saggay sa dagiti naisao ni Apo Konsel RJ Fariñas ket tatan nalpason nga nag privilege speech ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo ket han nakayat ti agpa-interpellate ngem ipilit ni Apo Konsel RJ Fariñas iti ag-interpellate iti munagundaway ngem kuno ni Apo Konsel ay manan kuno ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo ket ginundawayan ni Apo Konsel RJ Fariñas iti ag-privilege speech ket agingga nga napaayaban dagiti kameng iti Philippine National Police nga po ta ipilit nga Apo RJ Fariñas iti agsao ket indeclare ni Apo Vice Mayor Toto Lazo nga iso na ket out of order.
Nabahan? Maka kapo siguro ti tattao ti na para temperadura iso nga taglaw-law dito ito na baka. Ito bangir, yes. Agora ka action ti bangir adamit respon ni Mayor Michael yun. Awang pa makaamo ana ti ni kaya dito ta sanggunian pa kay ramanan ti star reporter ni Dulce na din ni Dulce. Yes, action man. Di kayo nag-crash as of now that the session. Ngayon nga rin, nakaamo na anak Mayor Oray, action man yung naka-standby iti Facebook Live to DCJC. Yes, atata. Okay, action dal. Wen dakdakkel bagi ni Apo RJ action dal. Okay, itinagan iti persa ti DCJ's Action Radio Lawag. Dapat iti na Action Nora, ni Action Lawrence, yung may dayong marayat, kada ti session, iti natin nga malas. Okay, detaro ti damag manipad iti sanggoy niyang palungsod, Action Tool sa Valenzuela. Standing pa.
Lawag City.
Yung number 3 ka pa kami. Pwede pa, huwag niyo kung minagad pa ka pwede. Kaya yan din number 2. Si Manggol na Hindi, sabi ko kanya ko yung
Okay, standby lang mga kaksyon para kadigitay at adupay nga pasamak. Ito ang mismo iti sanggoy niyang palnungsod. Iso nga nakastambay lahat tata anytime. Agrasyong iti regular session ti sanggoy niyang palnungsod. Kita updated tayo na nat mapasamak ta napaayaban digitay coming ti PNP. Ket andamutan niya Apo Hepe Labiano. Iti mismo nga sanggoy niyang palnungsod.
The session will now resume. The chair would like to remind the distinguished members of Article 144 of the Revised Penal Code, which penalizes any person who disturbs the proceedings of a provincial board or city or municipal council. So, this is punishable under Article 144 of the Revised Penal Code.
Point of information, Mr. Chairman.
You please wait that you be recognized. The chair is talking. Now, the chair would not want to go to the extreme of having any esteemed member being bodily carried out of this session. But the chair would like to preserve the respect due to the Sangguniang Panlunsod, presided over by this representation. So please don't force the issue.
Point of
I
order.
would like to remind everybody that only those recognized will be allowed to speak. If you are not recognized, then you are out of order. If the chair will not recognize you and you continue to make statements on the floor, the chair will regard that as disturbance of the proceedings, which is an offense punishable under Article 144 of the Revised Penal Code.
Mr. Chairman, there is a motion, Mr. Chairman. Point of order, Mr. Chairman.
What is your point of order?
Mr. Chairman, according to the rules, Mr. Chairman, Section 2, the Sanggunian after notice and hearing shall punish its members for disorderly conduct and shall impose penalties of warning, censure, reprimand, or exclude from a particular session a member, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the presiding officer cannot...
Second, will you please stop?
Mr. Chairman,
You're
I have a
taking your
motion.
point.
Mr.
You
Chairman,
listen to
I
what
have
the
a
chair is
motion,
saying.
Mr. Chairman. I
I
have
am
the
not
floor.
asking.
Mr.
I am
Chairman,
not
this is the
asking
problem. I have the
this
floor,
body
Mr.
to
Chairman.
punish
I have
anyone.
Mr. Chairman, I have the floor, Mr.
I
Chairman.
am invoking.
Mr. Chairman, I have the
Article
floor.
one.
Mr. Chairman, I have the
You are
floor.
no longer recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I was
What is your
recognized.
point?
I have the floor, Mr.
What
Chairman.
is your point of order? You raise a point of order. You are
Mr.
raising the
Chairman,
rules.
it is not the presiding officer to say who is there is a disorderly conduct in the session, Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
it is
so-
the members.
so,
This is a
okay.
collegial body, Mr. Chairman.
Yes. You
It
are
is not
correct.
up
You
to
are
you,
correct.
Mr. Chairman.
You are correct.
There is a motion a while ago, Mr. Chairman, that I be able to speak. You cannot say that
Okay,
I
I'll
will not
give
be
you,
able to speak, Mr.
I'll give you
Chairman.
3 more minutes. You
Mr.
finish your whatever you need to say.
Mr. Chairman, I want to conduct a privileged speech, Mr. Chairman.
The
But
chair will not
are
allow you to
preventing
conduct a
this,
privilege
member
speech.
from
You have already availed of
conducting
that.
it, Mr. Chairman.
You have 2 more
Mr.
minutes.
Chairman, you are interrupting this member. I have the floor, Mr. Chairman. This is the problem, Mr. Chairman, because this is a collegial body, Mr. Chairman. It is not up to the presiding officer, Mr. Chairman. I had a motion a while ago to this body, Mr. Chairman, that I be able to deliver a privileged speech, Mr. Chairman. But the presiding officer, in his own discretion, will not allow this body to vote on the matter, Mr. Chairman. Why are you afraid that I be able to speak, Mr. Chairman? It is a constitutional right that I be able to speak, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I move that I have 5 minutes to deliver another privileged speech, Mr. Chairman. That is a motion, Mr. Chairman. This should be presented
Your
to the
motion is out
body.
of order. You better wrap up your statements because
Mr.
the
Chairman,
chair, you have
Point
30
of
seconds.
order, Mr. Chairman. What is the rule, Mr. Chairman, that I am out of order? Can you point it out, Mr. Chairman? You should point it out.
Are you done?
That I cannot be able to deliver another privilege.
Are you
Mr.
done?
Chairman. Mr. Chairman,
Are you done?
point of order.
Yes, are you
What
done?
is the rule, Mr. Chairman?
Are you done?
Yes, I am asking. What
Okay.
is the rule, Mr.
The
Chairman?
recognition given you is already withdrawn because you are done.
What is the
This is the ruling of the chair. We are on question and privilege hour. The position of the Honorable Roger John Paredes II is he
point
can...
of order, Mr. Chairman? This shall take precedence, Mr. Chairman. This is a motion, Mr. Chairman.
That's why the
Point
chair
of order,
is
Mr.
explaining
Chairman.
why he is
That
ruling you
the
as out of
presiding
order.
officer is debating with
You are out of order.
Mr. Chairman.
The chair is ruling that you are out of order because you have availed of the question and privilege hour. Can you imagine if the chair will allow every member to avail of question and privilege hour twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times?
Mr. Chairman, point of order. What is
You
the
are
rule?
out of order.
What is the rule regarding this matter, Mr. Chairman, that I cannot be able to speak once, twice, thrice, Mr. Chairman? What is the rule in our internal rules of procedure, Mr. Chairman?
You know,
so I can
common
be
sense.
enlightened.
Common sense will dictate, Honorable
Mr.
Roger John
Chairman, that is
Paredes
why
II,
we have internal rules,
that
Mr.
you should
Chairman.
not be allowed to avail of any question and privilege hour more than once because, as I said, you will be creating a scenario where we will all be laughing stocks.
This is the
You are
problem,
saying
Mr.
you can
Chairman.
deliver a privileged speech more than once. And so if it is more than once, it can be 10 times.
Mr. Chairman, there is a
So
point
you
of
are out of
order.
order.
There is a point of order, Mr.
Let's
Chairman.
proceed.
There is a motion, Mr. Chairman.
The Secretariat is directed to ignore the statements of the Honorable Roger John Paredes
Mr.
II.
Chairman,
Next, we will now go to
Mr. Chairman,
review, consideration, reconsideration of barangay ordinances. The Honorable Jason Ferreira is recognized.
Inasmuch that I agree with Honorable R.J. Fariñas that nothing in our rules would limit a member to deliver a privileged speech once or twice. At any rate, Mr. Chair, I would like to avail it now, Mr. Chair, just to break this.
You want to deliver also your privilege speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, several weeks ago, many of our barangay officials were subjected to different illegal activities, Mr. Chair. Threats, planting of evidence. One of them was my classmate Eugene Bunwan, Mr. Chair, who received a threatening remarks,
Opening
an
remarks?
admonition,
Is it
threatening,
opening remarks?
threatening
Threatening.
remarks. He also received an ammunition in his residence, and surprisingly, when we were asking the police officers to conduct investigation on that very brazen criminal who could just roam around the city without any detection from our law enforcers, who would be that probable person planting evidence, threatening many of our barangay officials, Mr. Chair. And after several days of our desire for it to be known who were the perpetrators, we were surprised that the person who was given an ammunition was the subject of a search operation last April 28 or last Thursday, Mr. Chair. And what was more surprising on that day, it was not only one person who was subjected to a simultaneous search. There were so many. And some of those persons who were subjected to search were those identified to be part of the Team Farinas, Mr. Chair, our campaign manager, the person of Arimboyotan from Bengal. Luckily, those two persons who were supposed to be subjected of search did not proceed because of the timely intervention by this representation, calling the attention of the police officers of the serious flaws on the search warrant, which were even obtained outside Ilocos Norte. And there were other leaders of our political party, the Team Farinas, Mr. Chair, who were subjected to search. And as claimed by those persons subjected to search, there were first intrusion by several police officers and eventually called the attention of the police, the barangay officials, and the search was then a moro-moro at Sarsuela. What is so remarkable, extraordinary among all the searches was the punong barangay of the residents of the punong barangay of Estancia Pindig, where he was arrested allegedly for possessing a hand grenade, among others. After a lot of protests made by many people, last Monday after lunch, we were surprised to receive a call that when he was arrested last Thursday, the hand grenade miraculously became a lighter. this will put my mind into more questions. Why is it that our police officers, if ever there were no switching of evidence made, could not easily identify or distinguish a lighter from a hand grenade, considering their expertise or their training supposed to be on that field? What is so alarming, all of these persons who were subjected by search, many of them belong to our political party, Mr. Chair. And it is so appalling, Mr. Chair, because if you are going to see the chronological events that happened preceding those days, my colleague here were asking help because someone was then drawing a firearm which could be seen clearly on the video. If that could be made to a person like us who occupies an exalted position in our society, I wonder what will happen to other persons in our society. I am now having a doubt as to the covenant that was entered before we started our campaign, that the PNP will remain to be apolitical, meaning they will not engage to favoring any candidate. But in reality, as I could see, it seems otherwise. And we could hear and see the video of Honorable Attorney R.D. Fariñas asking the police officers to verify if the firearm was really a firearm or not. There were no actions, Mr. Chair, and this will make our election no longer fair but unfair, no longer impartial but partial. How I wish these remaining days that we have, how I wish those authorities entrusted by our law to effect peace and order would respect the very dignity of every Lawagueño. And I fear if this will continue, this will erode the trust of the public to our authorities. In the past days, there were so many persons who were so worried, including our colleague, Honorable Edison Bunwan, that there were so many reports that there will be many people who will be subjected for search. And if there will be searches, we will be under the mercy of those persons who would be implementing the same. How I wish we could safeguard the rights of every person these remaining days of our election, and let the public decide who are those persons deserving to occupy the different positions in our political structure. That would be all, Mr. Chair. I'm willing to be interpolated, Mr. Chair.
Any interpretation? There being none, we will now go to review consideration, the consideration action of barangay ordinances. The barangay supplemental budget of Barangay 50 Botong is is referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Finance. Also in receipt of the Appropriation Ordinance number 1 of Barangay 62B Lantaan, which is actually their supplemental budget. Number 1. The measure is likewise referred to the Committee on Finance and Appropriations. We will now go to committee reports. The chair of the Committee on Appropriations is recognized, the Honorable Han Bilao.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The Committee on Appropriation, to which was referred for Sangguniang Kabataan Annual Budget, which is listed in the committee report, Mr. Chair, I would like to jointly report it, Mr. Chair, if there's no question by this August budget.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
The Committee on Appropriation, to which was referred the 4 SK Annual Budget, has considered the same and has the honor to report it back to the Sangguniang Panlungsod with the observation that the above objects of appropriation are deemed compliant to budgeting rules and requirements, with the further proviso that compliance with all existing pertinent laws, rules, and regulations shall be the responsibility of the barangay and shall serve as basis for audit. The committee recommends that the SK annual budget of the 4 barangays be declared valid. I hereby move for the adoption and approval of this report, Mr. Chair.
As may I in favor, please raise your right hand. By a vote of 10, the committee report is adopted and approved. Thank you, the Honorable Derek Lau was out during the voting.
As a result of the adoption and approval of this committee report of SK annual budgets of Barangay 6 San Agustin in amount of 882,790 and 68 centavos, and Barangay 19 Santa Marcela with the amount of 452,972 and 9 centavos, and Barangay 32C La Paz East with the amount of 1,266,737 and 29 centavos, and Barangay 42 Apaya with the amount of 632,740 centavos, Mr. Chair. Are they now be declared valid, Mr. Chair?
There being no objection, the Sangguniang Kabataan annual budgets of the mentioned barangays are all declared valid. Next.
Also, Mr. Chair, I would like to jointly report, Mr. Chair, the supplemental budgets of jointly reported, Mr. Chair, as listed in our agenda.
Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved. Proceed, Honorable Han Bilao.
The Committee on Appropriation, to which was referred the 3 barangay supplemental